Americans are consuming more sugar than ever before, but what effect is this sweet trend having on our health? We take a closer look at the science of sugar. It's in our favorite foods and drinks. How much sugar do you put down in a day?
I love candy, so I eat a lot of candy.
We try to avoid sugar as much as possible, especially for the young ones. They can't have too much sugar. They get too rowdy.
Professor Laura Schmidt says Americans consume nearly 3 times more sugar than is recommended. It's more than we ever have.
So currently, we're consuming about twice as much as we did, say, in 1970.
Schmidt and scientists from around the country have launched Sugar Science, an initiative to educate people about how sugar impacts health. It's based on more than 8,000 studies.
It's all about getting what we know in the medical journals out to the public.
Too much added sugar is linked to heart disease in adults and diabetes in kids. 20 years ago, type 2 diabetes was almost unheard of in children. Today, more than 20,000 have it.
It's completely unacceptable that a child would have adult onset diabetes at the age of 13.
Too much sugar can also impact the liver and cause the same disease that alcohol does. Nearly 31% of adults and 13% of kids now have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease.
This is a condition that we didn't even have a diagnosis for 30 years ago before the American public started consuming so much more sugar.
Scientists recommend women consume no more than 6 teaspoons or 25 grams of added sugar a day. For men, it's 9 teaspoons or 38 grams. Sodas, sports drinks, and energy drinks make up 37% of added sugar consumed in the U.S. Just 1 can of soda a day is more than the recommended limit for women. The bottom line, ditch those sugary drinks and snacks for a better, healthier you. Dr. Schmidt says not to worry about natural sugars from fruits and vegetables, as these are healthy. Their research is focused on added sugars.